So we're going to create the simulation. So the first thing that we do is to construct a segment between the points at the origin to point 8. The point 8 corresponds to the 0.8 seconds that the ball takes. And we're then going to make it yellow so that we can see it. And thicker. Then we're going to put a point T and it's been given that name, but this time it's important we want that to be T. And what we're then going to do is we're going to turn the animation on, and so we go to the point T, right click, or with a mouse control click, and then we just can switch the animation on. If we switch that off, so we've got T from there to 0.8. So we're going to define T in the input bar. And then we're going to define the coordinates of a point N, which will be the centre of the moving ball. So N, which of course is moving over time, so what we're then going to do is we've done the simulation. Actually, can you see N going up? And of course we don't need to see the, if you like, the manual simulation that we've done, all those static black points, so we could get rid of those when we tidy up later. But there's N. Let's just get rid of a few, or at least they stay there, but they're not visible. Okay, and let's look at N again. And I've made N invisible, of course, but there we go, back to being visible. Now, what we're going to do now is define, make that N into a circle. So what we're going to do here is, well, we could do it out of the way. Make a little segment, and that's going to be the radius of the circle. Now, we use the compass tool which is this one, and if you have a look here, select segment or 2 points for the radius and then the center point. So what we're going to do here is select those 2 points, or the segment rather, for the radius, and then we're going to select N for the center point. Okay, we're then going to go to the circle to, let's make it blue and opaque so that we can see it. So that now gives us our circle, and then we can run it, and then I'm going to leave it like this just to show that, you know, this is all done for real, and what you do now is start tidying things up, getting rid of the unnecessary stuff, tidying that up, and so on, and there we are, it's done.